Hey guys, so the next step in the C.E.N.T model is about engagement, because by the time we've got to this stage, we've already got that strong foundation of content and we know who our target audience is. And because we've done that research and the due diligence there, we know where we can deploy this content. Because let's face it, there's no point in you putting content out there on TikTok or Snapchat or Pinterest or even Threads if your target audience isn't there. So we know where they're playing. So we're now going to put our content out there. And the whole thing about engagement is there's this paid traffic. So us putting stuff out on social media, we don't own that traffic. So it's very much hit and hope at times. Yes, there are processes that we can go through in order to get more engagement. But what we want to achieve in this stage of the process is getting them to not only our website, but we want them to give us their details, like their email addresses, phone numbers, things like that. Because then we build our lists, we build and we own that traffic. We can still do the stuff on social media, but the whole point of engagement is to speak to our target audience, show value to our target audience, and get them to come to us, because then we can move on to the next stage, which is nurture.